Hey everybody, Jillian here with a brand new Bible journaling process video. Today is going to be a bit different in that I'm not going to narrate the whole thing. Instead, you just get to peek into my creative process for day 13 of Illustrated Faith's Gratitude Documented. And while the kit is sold out, you can snag the prompts and verses for free from the Print and Pray shop. That's what that Word Fetty printable is over there on the right of my screen. I'll go ahead and link those below. For today's entry, I'm going to use these mountains from an older set, actually Elaine Davis's set from last fall, and some other pieces from Bella Boulevard to document my gratitude for God's strength. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video, put on some music, and I hope you guys enjoy. I do want to pop in and share the verse that I'm journaling here. It is Psalm 21 verse 13. Be exalted in your strength, Lord. We will sing and praise your might.